Welcome back everyone. Now last time you were with me we were looking at this bit of code where we were getting Andy to move right and left according to how we press the arrow keys. Now one of the things that we want to do is we want to actually ensure that when Andy touches the ball, so we've introduced this sprite here, just click on that button and find the sprite that you saved. So I previously imported the ball into the game. So we've got Andy. Let's see, have a little think then about how Andy interacts with the ball. So when we actually receive the start game, so when we hit the new game button, we need a forever if loop. And so forever if, I'm going to sense that Andy is touching the ball. Okay, so forever if Andy is touching the ball, what we want Andy to do, we want Andy to get angry, we want him to hit the ball. So we're going to change Andy's costume. So in terms of looks, okay, switch to costume, angry Andy. So we've got that there. Now all tennis players grunt, don't they? So everybody has a grunt, so we will, let's have a look, play sound. So I want to play sound, and with the sounds, well done, we've already imported this sound here, so it's easy to import human sounds. Okay, scream male, so I've got that sound that I've imported. Let's give that a play. Alright, so typical tennis players kind of grunt there. So play the sound, and Andy screams. We're going to wait a second. So angry Andy hangs around for a short while, but then we revert back to calm Andy, okay, before he hits the next ball. So we're going to switch costume back to calm Andy. Okay. Now click on the ball. Just have a look at this code that's that we've created here. So when the green flag is clicked, we hide the ball. So we don't want the ball hanging around at the start of the game. But when we receive start game, we wait for a second, and then we send the ball to a position 0 on the x-axis, 165 on the y-axis. That is basically a position up here at the top of the screen. Make sure the ball's showing, and then we send it in Andy's direction. And we basically keep it moving towards Andy. Okay, 10 steps, and if it's on, if it hits the edge of the screen, it just bounces off the edge of the screen. If it touches Andy, so when the ball actually makes contact with Andy, what it does, it basically points in the opposite direction. So it points in its current direction, minus 180 degrees. So it basically turns around and goes the other way. Right, let's have a look how the game's playing now. New game. Alright, so Andy's moving. Oh, there's the ball. And you can see, oh, missed. He's screaming, and it sort of changes to angry Andy. So that's pretty much working, but at the moment there's no scoring system, so we need a scoring system in place. So let's you have a go at doing that, and then get back to me when you're ready for the next stage.